Hi, Wimbo. Can you tell me your name and where are you from and your college?
Okay, my name is Wenbo Li, and I'm from China, and my college is Nanjing Agriculture University.
Yeah, and how are you thinking about the program so far? So, it's that been good for you? What are you thinking about?
Yeah, I think the program pretty good, and you know the program officer very care about our lives during there, and how our internship during there. So and for my host company right there, everybody is very friendly, and there's two employees, my roommate, and they are very kind. They bring me to the market and to some local restaurant, and in the week time we usually have many party. And for me, for my practice, I improve my speaking English a lot. Just I I speak with customer every day. I help them to find some plants and tell them how to write this plant. And just like the roses, I told them what I help them find the variety they are looking for, and told them how to plant their roses. Like don't pulling it out because we hurt these roads, and only to uh, trim that pot, and put whole that the pot into the soil. I know there is some mistake I make in my speak English, but I think it's not a big problem. The important thing is to speak out, and I think that this program will push me to doing that very well. And for my for my technique skill, I I learn so many names of the plants, like the trees, the shrub, the roses, because I'm not only working in the roses, I will help the customer looking for a lot of plants. So I
Right.
also learn so many knowledge of the other plants,
That's
and
good.
yeah.
And would you recommend the program for another Chinese student to come here and
Yeah, sure. If you want to improve in speaking English, if you want to experience American life, and if you want to increase your knowledge of the plants, just come.
yeah, that's nice. So,
Yeah.
would you say some words to strongly recommend then in Chinese?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just let me speak in my Sichuan language.
Okay.
Okay. It's
Here
not
we go.
Mandarin. 这个项目非常的好，大家快来。
Yeah, that's
Okay.
good.